If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. While many newer pictures taken with a digital camera may not need much repair, there will be times when you take a scanned image that has dust, scratches, and other problems that need to be fixed. Elements provides noise filters that increase the clarity of images by removing various flaws. Unlike the other noise filters, the Add Noise filter is used to give photos a blemished appearance. This filter adds random pixels to an image. You can set the amount of noise to add, the noise distribution type, and the color mode. The Despeckle filter helps remove noise from images while leaving the image's edges intact. It blurs everything but the edges to smooth noise that often occurs from scanning images. The Dust and Scratches filter hides noise by changing pixels with extreme tonal transitions. The Median filter blends the brightness of pixels in a selection. This reduces contrast surrounding dust spots. The Reduce Noise filter reduces luminous noise and color noise. To use a noise filter, simply choose Filter, Noise from the menu bar. Then click any of the choices in the side menu that appears to open a corresponding dialog box. Within this dialog box, check any checkboxes, select any option buttons, and use the sliders shown for each choice to make your noise adjustments. When you are done, click the OK button in the dialog box to apply your selected noise effect. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.